Hello and welcome back. If you're here, it means you're ready to take your English speaking skills to the next level. Have you ever felt like your English sounds too robotic or unnatural? Maybe you know the words, but when you speak, it just doesn't flow like a native speaker. Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's guide, we're diving deep into how to speak English naturally so you can sound more fluent, confident, and effortless in conversations. Whether you're learning for work, travel, or personal growth, these tips will help you blend in and communicate smoothly like a native speaker. So, let's get started. How to speak English naturally. The power of natural speech. Imagine you're traveling abroad and you confidently start a conversation with a native English speaker. Instead of struggling to find the right words or feeling awkward about your pronunciation, your sentences flow smoothly, your tone sounds natural, and the person understands you without asking you to repeat yourself. At that moment, you realize you are not just speaking English, you are communicating effectively, just like a native speaker. Many English learners struggle with sounding natural. They often know the grammar and vocabulary, yet their speech seems robotic or unnatural. This happens because textbooks and classrooms teach English differently from how it's spoken in real life. Natural speech involves more than just knowing words. It's about rhythm, pronunciation, idioms, and confidence. In this guide, we'll explore powerful strategies to help you sound more natural, confident, and fluent in English. By applying these techniques, you'll no longer feel like an outsider in conversations. You'll blend in effortlessly. 1. Improve pronunciation and intonation. Many English learners pronounce words correctly but still don't sound natural. Why? Because natural English speech has a rhythm, flow, and melody. Just like in music, your voice must go up and down in the right places. Mimic native speakers. Instead of just reading words, listen to how native speakers say them. Try shadowing. Repeat sentences right after a native speaker, matching their tone and speed. Understand word stress. English has a rhythm. Some words and syllables are stressed, while others are softer. For example, we say develop, not develop. Practice tongue twisters. Sentences like, she sells seashells by the seashore, improve pronunciation. Use a mirror. Watch how your mouth moves when speaking. English requires different mouth movements than some other languages. Example, try watching a short scene from a TV show, pausing after each sentence, and repeating it exactly how the actor said it. This technique, known as shadowing, helps you improve rhythm and pronunciation naturally. 2. Expand your vocabulary with natural phrases. Speaking naturally isn't just about using the right words. It's about using the words native speakers actually use. Use common phrases instead of textbook English. Instead of saying, I am very happy, say, I'm thrilled, or I'm over the moon. Learn collocations. Native speakers say, make a decision, instead of do a decision. These natural word combinations help you sound fluent. Practice phrasal verbs. Instead of, I entered the room, say, I walked in. Instead of, I removed my jacket, say, I took off my jacket. Tip. Keep a notebook of new natural expressions and practice using them in daily conversations. 3. Think in English, instead of translating. One of the biggest reasons learners struggle to speak naturally is because they think in their native language first and then translate into English. This slows down speech and makes sentences sound unnatural. Describe your surroundings in English. Look around and try to name objects or describe actions in English. Use an English-to-English dictionary. This helps you understand words without needing translation. Have conversations with yourself. Throughout the day, think in English. Instead of thinking, I need to buy milk in your native language and translating it, train your brain to think, I need to buy milk in English first. Example, instead of thinking, tengo hambre, necesito comer algo, and translating it into, I am hungry, I need to eat something. Train your brain to think directly in English. I'm hungry, I need a snack. 4. Speak in full sentences and use contractions. Have you ever noticed that native speakers shorten words when they talk? Use contractions. Say I'm instead of I am, there instead of they are. Avoid word-for-word translations. In English, we don't say I am agree. We say I agree. Tip: record yourself speaking. Compare it to a native speaker and notice the difference in flow and contractions. 5. Master the art of small talk. Casual conversations help you blend in and sound natural in social settings. Use everyday phrases. Instead of just saying hello, try, hey, how's it going? Ask open-ended questions. Instead of, did you have a good day? Say, what did you do today? Practice active listening. Use phrases like, oh, really? No way, or that's interesting, to sound engaged. Example: next time you meet someone, instead of just saying, nice to meet you, try, hey, great to meet you. So, what brings you here today? 6. Improve your listening skills. You can't speak naturally if you don't hear natural English. Watch TV shows and movies. Shows like Friends or The Office have everyday conversations. Listen to podcasts. This helps you get used to different accents and speeds. Learning to speak English naturally isn't about memorizing complex grammar rules. It's about listening, practicing, and immersing yourself in the language. Think of learning English like learning a sport. You need daily training, exposure, and confidence. Just like my friend Maria, who moved to an English-speaking country and was afraid to speak at first. She focused on listening, mimicking native speakers, and practicing daily. Within 6 months, she sounded natural and fluent. You can do the same. Stay consistent, practice regularly, and believe in yourself. Soon you'll find yourself speaking English just like a native speaker, effortlessly and naturally.